Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a Twitter link to your YouTube channel. So firstly, sign in your YouTube Creator Studio. Then in this left side panel, click on customization. Then click on basic info. Now scroll down and here you will see option links. Add links to sites that you want to share with your viewers. Click on this plus icon, add link. Now link title like Twitter. Now enter your Twitter account URL. So visit your Twitter account homepage. Now copy link. Now copy URL. Then paste here. Then click on publish. Now click on go to channel. So now as we can see, Twitter profile icon is appear here, and now your Twitter account is connected with your YouTube channel. People can visit easily by clicking on this Twitter icon on your YouTube channel homepage like this. So it's quick and easy method to link and add a Twitter link to your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video useful for you or not.